My dear brothers and sisters, in the gospel passage today, we heard a beautiful parable of the vineyard of the tenants. And this parable has been allegorized, trying to interpret the whole parable. When you look at it quite deeply inside, it is a story, a love story of God and His people in the past, of God and us, today's people. The past story is quite simple, which you all know. God created the world, human beings, out of love, and then chose for Himself a certain tribe, we call them Israelites, and loved them to the full. In many different ways, He showed them His love. And yet, how did the Israelites respond? They rejected this love, killing all those who were sent to protect them, to take care of them, to guide them spiritually. Till finally they killed the owner's son, Jesus Himself. And this is because, for one reason, is they wanted to have their own way. God gave them the freedom to choose what is good and not so good. And they preferred not so good. They, in a way, misused their freedom. Look, it's also our own story. God has given us our life, our gifts, and the whole nature around us. We also have our freedom to use them for others or to use them for ourselves. Look at our own state itself. It was so beautiful, say, 40, 50 years back when I used to travel the whole of it. It was such beautiful scenery, and you feel like you are like in God's paradise. What's happened today? This looks like hell on earth itself. Because we have misused our freedom. We think that we are the owners. We are just the tenants, caretakers of us, our belongings, and what around us. And we forget the day will come when we leave this world. What will happen to all so-called wealth we have acquired? We'll be able to carry along with us and put it in the grave. Will they do that? Let's reflect and see. We as tenants, caretakers of what is ours or given to us, not just our life, our many gifts, do we use them for others? Do we take care of it? Do we protect it? Do we believe that we are just caretakers? Or do we believe we are owners and we can use them the way we want?